Hello everyone, this is Younes. In this video I will show you how to open up a Garmin Instinct watch and also how to switch the screens on the watch so easily. So before that, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe and turn the notification bell for more videos about it. And if you enjoyed the video, absolutely just don't forget to leave a comment down below and inform me about anything you guys want me to make a video about. So let's get to the video. Peace. Okay guys, so first we will start with how to open the watch. I will show you the most and easiest ways you can use, also the most materials and easiest materials you can use while doing this operation. So just make sure you follow all the steps I'm gonna show you guys, so you make sure you're not doing any big mistakes while doing this, okay? So this is how we do it. First we start up with this. So an advice for you guys while doing this process, make sure you open up the watch from the menu button. So if you hold the watch in your hand, you will see a menu button, alright? So start opening up the watch from this spot. Why guys? Because if you start up with another spot, you probably gonna cut off the belt. So there is a little belt on the watch inside the watch, so you just need to make sure you don't cut it. If you did, then this is a big mistake and you will need time to fix it. So always guys, start opening up the watch from the menu button, and I'm sure guys you know what that means, so make sure you're doing this right. And after we end up opening up the watch guys, we need to make sure that we get the new screen that we bought from the store or anywhere you guys get the new screen. We need to make sure that it is 100% stuck on the watch. Alright, so then what we're gonna use right now is the silicone, because this is the best supplies for this, okay? And you may ask me right now, guys, why I'm using this rubber on the watch. What is the reason for this? Alright, so use this rubbers, watch and the screen cannot get separated, okay? So this is just in order so the watch and the screen cannot get separated. So we make sure that we keep these rubbers on the watch for at least 10 hours, so just the watch can be 100% safe and in order to not get separated.